Have you ever wondered what makes Italy one of the most visited countries in the world? A land steeped in rich history and adorned with diverse landscapes, Italy is a tapestry of timeless beauty and vibrant culture. From the towering snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean, every corner of this country tells a unique story. Imagine walking through the ancient streets of Rome, feeling the echoes of 1,000 years in the Colosseum's grandeur. Picture yourself gliding through Venice's serene canals as the majestic St. Mark's Bridge unfolds before your eyes. Envision the artistic splendor of Florence, where the illustrious cathedral and the picturesque Ponte Vecchio stand as testaments to the city's Renaissance spirit. With every step, you'll uncover a piece of Italy's soul, etched in its historic landmarks and mirrored in its people's passion. So are you ready to embark on this captivating journey through Italy? Our journey begins in Rome, the city that has stood for millennia. Rome, the eternal city, is a living testament to the grandeur of a bygone era. It is a city where the past and the present coexist, creating a remarkable blend of antiquity and modernity. Let us delve into the heart of Rome, where history echoes in every corner. The Colosseum, a grand amphitheater, stands as a testament to the city's ancient roots. This iconic structure, once filled with the roars of gladiators and spectators, now stands silent, a monument to Rome's imperial past. It is a symbol of the city's resilience, having withstood the test of time, just like Rome itself. From the Colosseum, we journey to the heart of the Vatican City, to the magnificent St. Peter's Basilica. This awe-inspiring edifice is a beacon of faith for millions of people around the world. Its architectural grandeur and spiritual significance make it a must-visit destination in Rome. The city of Rome is not just about its historical landmarks. It is also a city of vibrant culture and modernity. Wandering through the city, one can experience the hustle and bustle of daily life, peppered with the tantalizing aroma of Italian cuisine wafting from street-side cafes and restaurants. The city pulses with energy, from the lively piazzas to the bustling markets. Rome is a city that never sleeps, yet it always finds time to enjoy the simpler things in life. In Rome, history is not confined to the pages of a book or the walls of a museum. It is alive in the city's cobbled streets, ancient ruins, and grand monuments. It is woven into the fabric of daily life, making Rome a city that truly stands the test of time. Every corner of Rome tells a story. Every stone bears the mark of its rich history. The city is a living, breathing chronicle of the past, a testament to the resilience and endurance of its people. From the echoes of gladiators to the whispers of Vatican halls, Rome is a city that speaks to the soul. This timeless charm, this unique blend of ancient and modern, is what makes Rome a city of endless fascination. Next, we navigate to the enchanting city of Venice. As if plucked from a fairy tale, Venice is a city unlike any other. It's a labyrinth of canals and bridges, with every turn revealing a new vista that's more charming than the last. A city that appears to float on water, Venice is best known for its iconic gondolas. These traditional flat-bottomed boats, steered by gondoliers in their distinctive striped shirts and straw hats, are more than just a mode of transportation. They're a symbol of the city's rich history and a testament to its enduring appeal. As they glide gracefully through the canals, one cannot help but be captivated by the city's serene atmosphere. Venice is home to countless architectural marvels, and among them, St. Mark's Square stands out. This grand square, often referred to as the drawing room of Europe, is the city's social, religious, and political hub. It's surrounded by some of the city's most notable landmarks, including St. Mark's Basilica, a stunning piece of Italo-Byzantine architecture, and the Doge's Palace, a Gothic masterpiece that was once the residence of the ruler of the Republic of Venice. Another must-see is the Rialto Bridge, one of the 4 bridges spanning the Grand Canal. It's a magnificent structure that offers a panoramic view of the city that is simply breathtaking. But the true magic of Venice lies in its artistic heritage. The city has been a beacon of the arts for centuries. It has given the world legendary painters like Titian and Tintoretto, and it continues to inspire artists, poets, and dreamers with its timeless beauty. Venice is more than just a city. It's a living museum, a testament to the grandeur of the past, and a beacon of art and culture. It's a place where every canal holds a story, every bridge leads to an adventure, and every sunset paints a masterpiece. Venice, a floating city that captures the heart with each gondola ride. Our journey continues to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. This vibrant city, nestled in the heart of Tuscany, is a masterpiece in itself. Florence is a place where every corner whispers tales from a bygone era, of a time when the city was the epicenter of a cultural and artistic revolution that changed the world. Imagine walking on the cobbled streets of Florence under the Tuscan sun, and the first sight that greets you is the Florence Cathedral, or the Duomo, as it's affectionately known. The cathedral's grandiosity is rivaled only by its intricate beauty. Constructed over a span of nearly 2 centuries, the Duomo's towering dome is a testament to the ingenuity of the Renaissance architects. It's a marvel of engineering, a spectacle that dominates the Florentine skyline, reminding us of the genius of its creator, Filippo Brunelleschi. And then there's the Ponte Vecchio. This medieval stone bridge with shops built along it is an iconic symbol of Florence. It's as if a slice of history is frozen in time, right over the Arno River. The bridge's unique design and its resilience, surviving floods and wars, echo the indomitable spirit of Florence. But Florence's grandeur doesn't end with its architecture. It's a city that has cradled artists like Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli, whose works have profoundly influenced the course of art. It's a city where every museum and art gallery is a treasure trove, filled to the brim with masterpieces that have shaped our understanding of beauty and aesthetics. Florence is not just a city, it's a living, breathing museum, a testament to a time when art and science blossomed together, creating a new worldview, a new way to see and understand the world around us. This is the spirit of the Renaissance, a spirit that continues to thrive and inspire in the heart of Florence. So here we are in Florence, a city that's a living testament to a time when art and science blossomed together. But Italy is not just Rome, Venice, and Florence. As we continue our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the other remarkable locations that Italy proudly showcases. Nestled within the rugged cliffs and shimmering seas, the Amalfi Coast radiates with a charm that's uniquely its own. This stretch of coastline, unrivaled in its beauty, is adorned with pastel-hued villages that cascade down cliffs, creating a stunning and vibrant landscape. Here, the aroma of lemon groves mingles with the salty sea breeze, crafting an intoxicating blend that lingers in the memory long after you've left. Venturing further north, we find ourselves in Pisa, an ancient city that's famously skewed. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, an architectural marvel, tilts precariously to one side, defying gravity with its audacious slant. The sight of it is playfully surreal, a testament to the whimsical spirit that permeates Italy. But the grandeur of Italy extends beyond its architectural feats. The country is also a living museum, as exemplified by the ruins of Pompeii. Frozen in time by Vesuvius's volcanic eruption, this ancient city offers a hauntingly vivid snapshot of life in the Roman Empire. The well-preserved frescoes, public squares, and ancient villas whisper tales of a time long past, yet their stories resonate in the present, reminding us of the relentless march of time. These places, though diverse in their landscapes and cultural richness, are threaded together by the quintessential Italian spirit, a blend of passion, history, and an appreciation for la dolce vita, the sweet life. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Amalfi Coast to the snow-capped peaks of the Dolomites, from the verdant vineyards of Tuscany to the bustling streets of Milan, each region offers a different slice of Italy, waiting to be savored. Italy, a country where every corner offers a new discovery. Whether you're a history buff, a food lover, or simply a wanderer seeking beauty, you'll find that Italy has a way of speaking directly to your soul, leaving you with an insatiable desire to explore more. So buckle up, fellow travelers, as we continue to uncover the mesmerizing tapestry that is Italy. Because remember, Italy, a country where every corner offers a new discovery. And so we conclude our journey through Italy. We've wandered through the timeless charm of Rome, marveled at the grandeur of the Colosseum, and stood in awe of St. Peter's Basilica. We've drifted along the enchanting canals of Venice and crossed the iconic St. Mark's Bridge. We've admired the splendor of Florence's cathedral and strolled along the picturesque Ponte Vecchio. This journey has taken us beyond just the visual delights of Italy's landmarks. We've touched upon the soul of a nation, a culture steeped in history and rich in art. Each city, each landmark, carries with it a unique charm, a story that weaves itself into the fabric of this incredible country. Italy is a destination that invites you to lose yourself in its beauty, to soak in its history, and to immerse yourself in its culture. It's more than just a place. It's an experience that leaves you longing for more.